Today we're talking about a new piece of tech that I just picked up. This is the HP Bluetooth Travel Mouse, and it's amazing. Shout out to HP for sponsoring this video. I have been looking for a new mouse to use, especially one that I can carry on the go in my backpack all day, every day, so I'm excited to share this one with you guys. Most mice on the market right now are rechargeable and they do decent with battery life, but I love that this thing runs just on AA's, and to be specific, one AA will get you 12 months. Yes, you heard me correctly, 12 months of battery life, and two AA's will get you 24 months. Is that not crazy? I feel like it's pretty rare for you to find a Bluetooth mouse that's out there that can run on just one AA despite having two slots. I'm currently teaching my high school students about circuits right now in my physics class, and so this is actually pretty interesting to me. This is without a doubt the lightest mouse that I've ever used, and that's awesome because I use this for work, as my travel mouse, as my EDC. I have this with me in my backpack everywhere that I go. I love the 4 customizable buttons on this tiny little mouse and how HP has a dedicated app for me to change all these different settings. One thing that I look for in a good travel mouse is for this thing to be able to work on just about any surface, including glass, which a lot of mice don't, but this one does. At my work desk setup, I actually have 2 different devices, one that's a desktop PC and the other one that's a laptop, and I love being able to use this mouse and being able to easily switch between my devices without actually having to switch mice. And that's definitely a super handy feature that I would never give up. Sometimes with travel specific Bluetooth mice, you have to give up tons of different features. I love that this one actually still keeps a really useful scroll wheel that also toggles left and right. It has back and forward buttons that are customizable. It has this nice rubbery textured grip right here. There are so many things to love about this mouse and so few things that I would try to change about it. With any good review, no matter how great a product is, there are of course things that you wish were different about it or that you would add to the next generation, and that's what I want to suggest here. I think it'd be fun for HP to release tons of different colorways. Minimalistic or more hidden logoing is definitely more of my preference, and being able to add on a horizontal scroll wheel onto this tiny little mouse would just be the icing on the cake right there. I definitely think that HP packed a huge punch with this mouse at a great price point, links in the description below, and with all the different features that it comes with, and the fact that this mouse literally comes with batteries as well. How many things have you bought out there where batteries are sold separately? I mean, come on. Really? In 2021, you can't just give us a couple batteries? So shout out HP, love this thing. It's definitely been a while since I've been able to check out a product, do my review of it, share the goods, share the things that I'd change about it, and I kind of miss it. I've been doing a lot of setup videos, camera gear stuff. I just want to get back to doing some tech-based videos on this not only, but also technology channel. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm always open and clear about sponsorships with y'all, and I would never take on a sponsorship if I didn't actually really love this product.